Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will show you another episode of my quick and easy ornament. We are on week 2. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, for this ornament we're gonna use a Dollar Tree. It looks like a mason jar. Then I got some stickers. Everything is from Dollar Tree. A couple of trees, the fake snow, a jute, and I cut this out of the styrofoam that you get from the Dollar Tree as well, because I want the ornament to rise a little bit more inside. So I'm gonna be working with this thing before I put everything inside. So like that.